SYG Tech is here. How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. iPhone 7 Plus on iOS 14.4.1. We have a software update. So currently I'm on the iOS 14.4.1. So let's check it now. So let's go to software update about, and as you can see, 14.4.1. But we have a software update. So let me show you. So we have the iOS 14.7.1 and we're gonna update right now. So this is the iPhone 7 Plus Jet Black version. This is a very cool skin. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below if you wanna check the video. But should you upgrade? I believe yes, because we have to keep up to date the iOS. Personally, I think this is good because obviously it's gonna make your phone more fluid, more faster. I know many people are complaining about the battery, but this is going to be a different video. So this is the iOS 14.7.1, and as you can see, there's quite a lot new features here, but obviously all the iPhones from iPhone 6s to iPhone 8 doesn't get quite features. Basically, this is going to make your iOS a little bit more smoother. All the features that you can see here are with the iPhone with a notch, for example, X, XS, XR, and so on. So let's go back and let's update to iOS 14.7.1, and let's see now if this is gonna be a great experience. So currently my iPhone 7 Plus works amazing. There's no complaints. All the apps works fine. Everything works smooth. Obviously, Touch ID, the phone unlocks super easy and fast as well. As you can see, all the widgets, everything works perfect. So now it's time to update to iOS 14.7. Let's do that right now. So I need to put my passcode. And as you can see, now we're gonna update. So this is gonna take quite a while, so I'll be back in a second when the update is ready. All right, so we are ready now. So iPhone 7 Plus, let's check now the update. So let's go to general, let's go to about, and as you can see, we have the 14.7.1. This took like 5 minutes. Actually like 7 minutes, but now we running the latest version of the iOS, and actually this is good because we know that Apple is doing very good with the software updates, and personally I think this is a good thing. In my opinion, this iPhone is nearly 5 years old and still runs perfect, and I definitely recommend this update. Again, this is a personal preference, but I think you should update because keeps your phone safe, smooth. But we know that the iOS is perfect in any mean, no lags, everything works perfect, everything works fine, everything works smooth. And this is a good thing because that's why many people choose Apple for their phone. So let me know, what do you think, guys? Do you update it to the latest version of the iOS 14.7.1, or you are on even older version? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, and I'll see you in the next video.